So we're just going to start off with a regular pack of braiding hair. It doesn't really matter what kind because it's going to be covered by the hair extensions. So I just start off by taking the rubber band that's attached to the braiding hair and I rubber band it around my ponytail. I then begin to braid the braiding hair in with my real hair. The braid does not have to be super neat because it will be covered by the hair extensions in. So you will just braid it all the way to the end. So these are the hair extensions that I will be using. These are actually synthetic. I had them in my hair bag for a while. You know, every girl has a hair bag where they just keep a lot of hair. So I had it in my hair bag for a while and I just decided to use it. This ponytail is super affordable because like I stated, the hair is synthetic. Um it's good as long as you don't put any oil or anything on it. You know, it'll last you for at least, a good, week or two, a little quick little hairstyle. Okay, so I just start off by putting glue on the extensions and I begin to wrap the hair around the braid, starting from the tip of the braid. So I just do this process until I get to the top of the braid. While adding the extensions, I just add a little bit of glue as I go. This makes the process much easier to me and less messy than adding glue all the way across the extensions and then wrapping it. So I just add a little bit along the way. Once I got closer to the top of the ponytail, I began to wrap the extensions around a little bit more closer. I ran out of hair before I got to the top of the ponytail, so I just added some old 8-inch extensions to the ponytail to finish it up. As I got closer to the top of my ponytail, the braid got thicker, so I just started to lay the extensions closer. This made the ponytail more seamless and flawless. Now that I'm done wrapping the extensions around the ponytail, I'm now just grabbing a small piece of hair from the extensions that I wrapped, and I'm wrapping it around the base of the ponytail to prevent any extensions from showing. And I secured this with hairpins. You can use as many as you need. Now I'm just combing it through, blending it all in, all the layers. I set the ponytail with a little bit of hairspray and mousse. This made the ponytail just flow and gave it a more natural look because, as I stated before, this is synthetic hair. And there you have it. Voila. Your ponytail, baby. Slang it, baby. Sling it like that.